Aga.
Welcome to my show, Jewelry World Exhibitions in Hyderabad at Taj Krishna. So we have got 50 jewelers from Ahmedabad, Bombay, Surat, Hyderabad, and they have got incredible display, a lot of display, a lot of new styles for the brides to be. And I would invite all the brides, wedding families, groom families to come visit the exhibition. There is so much to display. You will complete all your wedding shopping over here. Even jewelry lovers can come and find so much of variety. And so we do exhibitions in Bombay. We are very famous in Bombay, Ahmedabad, and we get the best curation from India. We are having GK Chudiwalas, who's from Jaipur. We are having Diva from Bombay. So they are all award-winning jewelers. They have won different awards at different platforms, and they're very well-known, renowned jewelers. So I invite you all, Hyderabad, to come visit the show, and it will be a feast for all of you for your weddings. So last year the response was very good. In fact, the jewelers who had come with us last year, they were like, we want to go again. We want to go back to Hyderabad because Hyderabad is very fond of jewelry, and they buy very long sets and they buy different types of varieties. So my jewelers who had come last year from Bombay, from Jaipur, so they were like, we want to go back. So after a month only, they were like, we want to go back to Hyderabad because people are really very flamboyant over there, and they're very, very, very jewelry, very fond of jewelry.
And this is Anika Khara, and we are very, very happy to be a part of Jewelry World. And it's an exclusive exhibition where you will find more than 50 jewelers from all over India. And each piece is very, very innovative. It's very exclusive. So don't miss this chance and be here at Taj Krishna on 23rd, 24th, and 25th. Please be there, and it's full of bridal wear, general wear, classy wear, everything you will get at one stop.
Yes, it's a one-stop destination.
मुझे एक फोटो चाहिए आपको रखो आप
Nani, thank you Anita Khara Garu and Anchal Garu for giving me this opportunity to be here in midst of all these lovely people. And here it's an exclusive jewelry exhibition where the elegance meets craftsmanship and the variety of items, all the different jewelry. Tell something, Anika, about the jewelry.
Yeah, it's very amazing. You have exclusive pieces from like jewelry wear to normal day wear. It's a mix of 50 jewelers, so don't miss this chance. Be here on 23rd, 24th, and 25th.
హైదరాబాద్ నుంచి అండి. సో వీఆర్ వెరీ హ్యాపీ టు బి అ పార్ట్ ఆఫ్ జ్యువెలరీ వరల్డ్ ఎగ్జిబిషన్. సో ఆల్మోస్ట్ 40 స్టాల్స్ ఉన్నాయి ఇక్కడ. ఇక్కడ ఈరోజు మేము స్టాల్ పెట్టాము. విజయవాడలో కూడా మాది ఒక ఫ్లాగ్షిప్ స్టోర్ ఉంది. సో వీ స్టార్టెడ్ 1 year బ్యాక్ అండి. ఇక్కడ మాకు చాలా మంచి రెస్పాన్స్ ఉంది. వీళ్ళతో జ్యువెలరీ వరల్డ్తో కనెక్ట్ అయ్యాము. సో ఈ రోజున మనం ఇక్కడ ఎక్స్క్లూజివ్గా పోల్కి నక్షి టెంపుల్ జ్యువెలరీ మనం డిస్ప్లే చేస్తున్నాము. ఎస్పెషల్లీ బంజారా హిల్స్ అండ్ జూబ్లీ హిల్స్ కస్టమర్స్కి దిస్ అన్ గుడ్ ఆపర్చునిటీ. మీరు వచ్చి మా డిజైన్స్ చూడండి. అండ్ ఆల్సో మనం కొన్ని ఆఫర్స్ రన్ చేస్తున్నాం అన్నమాట. ఇక్కడ 2 లక్షల కొంటే కనుక ఒక గోల్డ్ కాయిన్ ఉచితం. సో రండి, కమ్ డౌన్.
అది ఓన్లీ ఫర్ జ్యువెలరీ వరల్డ్ ఎగ్జిబిషన్ విజిట్ అయిన కస్టమర్స్కి మాత్రమే. సో విజిట్ చేయండి. లాట్ ఆఫ్ ప్రీమియం కలెక్షన్ అండ్ నెవర్ బిఫోర్ ఇన్ తెలంగాణ ఏపీ కలెక్షన్ అయితే ఉంది. ఒకసారి విజిట్ చేయండి. థ్యాంక్ యూ.
నేను ఆయుష్ అగర్వాల్, నవదుర్గా జ్యువెలర్స్ నుంచి హైదరాబాద్, రోడ్ నెంబర్ 10 బంజారా హిల్స్. ఇది జ్యువెలరీ వరల్డ్ ఎగ్జిబిషన్ నడుస్తుంది ఇక్కడ తాజ్ కృష్ణలో. 3 days ఉంది, 23, 24, 25th August. ప్లీజ్ కమ్ అండ్ విజిట్. మా దగ్గర చాలా మంచి కలెక్షన్స్ ఉన్నాయి. విక్టోరియన్, డైమండ్, అన్కట్ డైమండ్ అండ్ ఆల్ జెమ్ స్టోన్స్ కలెక్షన్స్. అండ్ యూ కెన్ కమ్ హియర్. మొత్తం జ్యువెలరీ చూసుకోవచ్చు. వేరే దగ్గర కూడా వచ్చారు జ్యువెలర్స్, ఆల్ పార్ట్స్ ఆఫ్ ఇండియా. 50 all over 50 ఎగ్జిబిటర్స్ are there. సో వచ్చేయండి, చూడండి అండ్ కొనండి. థ్యాంక్ యూ.
We are Baheti Gems and Jewels from Jaipur. We deal in open setting Jadao Polki jewelry. You will find an exclusive range of open setting, diamond polki and Jadao jewelry. One-stop shop. We have our own manufacturing in the form of factory premises in Jaipur. So don't miss out on our wide collection.
What kind of collections do you have?
So this you can see is a patri har, and this can be paired with the choker. You can see this is a beautiful Jadao choker. We use the best of the syndicate polkis, and all of our diamonds are they are so beautiful and they're so well done. Can you just put this?
So it's a very well designed. In fact, they are very old jewelers in Jaipur, and they are three generational jewelers in Jaipur. They have been very famous over there, and so they come up with a lot of new ideas. They mix the ancient and they build up on the fusion jewelry. So they have lot of polki, and they design the polki, and this they have made it a patri har also. So you can club and wear both the necklaces. So last year the response was very good. Last year also we had got a good response in Hyderabad. Most of the people are jewelry lovers. And after the show also we had jewelers who wanted to come back to Hyderabad, and they said that we want to go back because people are invest a lot in jewelry. They wear a lot in their weddings. So jewelers had got very good response, and moreover people wear very long sets over here. So so whatever buying they do, they mix the long set with the short set. So the jewelers were really amazed by the buying over here.
So they say that Hyderabad is a city of Nawabs, and you can find the whole Nawabi collection here.
Yes,
Like
yes,
they do not settle for less, and that's why if you come here, it's above beyond your imagination.
And I think Jaipur caters